Hello everybody and welcome to Cruise with my father. If you've not seen our channel before, welcome aboard.
And Scott Patch, we haven't seen
Yeah.
some.
Welcome aboard from all of us.
Yes, so we're currently on set filming Paper Planes, which is our new short that's coming out.
Yep.
But we are getting ready next week, 2 weeks is it now?
2 weeks now.
To get on the MSC Virtuosa. So if you are on board, please feel free to come and say hello.
Yep.
If you've got any tips or tricks, that'd be amazing if you could send them over. But I just want to go through the gang if you've not met us all before. This is Scott.
Hi.
My name's Johnny, and this is Grandad George.
Hello. Pleased to meet you all.
So we're looking forward to going on the MSC Virtuosa. We have been on MSC ships before. This is Scott's first time actually on the MSC Virtuosa. So that'll be something interesting and different. So if you've got any tips or tricks, like I say, please leave them in the comments below. And if you've got any advice whilst you're on board or you want to be on the channel, just come over and say hello and we'll get you sort you out.
Yeah.
So just before we go though, what are you looking most forward to on the cruise? Let's go, Scott.
I don't actually know.
He doesn't actually know. That's a wonderful answer. And Grandad George?
Relaxing by the pool, in the hot tub, and have a little swim, and then something to wash it all down with in the bar. Thank you.
Yes, so he's looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to meeting you guys, talking to you guys, seeing other people. We have a genuine love for cruising, and it's nice to meet fellow people that are interested in cruising. Our channel's slightly unique because we obviously self-funded and we kind of do our own little thing. And I'm glad that people do subscribe, and I really appreciate it. So, like I say, just a short one today to introduce us. And I'd like to thank you all for watching and subbing and subscribing. And we'll see you on board the MSC Virtuoso. So goodbye from me.
And me.
And...
Yep, and goodbye from me. See you all soon. Bye.
bye. He's literally walking off. He's that excited that he wants to get on board.
Yeah.